Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Terry from terryscraftroom.com. Today we're going to learn how to use the hybrid embossing folders. And I'm going to use the Bouquet of Love hybrid embossing folders. And what they do is the embossing folder comes with the dies. It's all a set. So this one, the Bouquet of Love dies, comes with 9 dies and the embossing folder, and then you can bundle it with the Love and Happiness stamp set, which has just a ton of wonderful sayings and sentiments. But so we're gonna show you how to use the hybrid part of the embossing folder. So as you can see, the embossing folder has all these beautiful flowers on the embossing folder part, but it also has this heart. And I'm not sure you can see that. You can kind of see this side. I've used it quite a bit here. You can see the red where I've used it. So what happens is you take the die and it fits right down into the embossing folder, and it really fits down in there kind of nicely. And then I'm going to take some of our red velvet paper, and you can see there's the sandwich in here is the embossing folder is the bread, and then you've got the die and inside, and then your cardstock is all inside your embossing folder. Okay, then you bring over your Big Shot, and this sandwich is just the base plate, your embossing folder with the rounded edge going towards the see if I can, there we go, going towards the machine, and your number 4 plate, and that's it. And you run it through, get this out of the way so you can see again. And what happens is you get the embossed image and it cuts at the same time. And you can see how the flowers, you can see it better on the back here where it's debossed. But the flowers are all embossed on that image and it's cut at the same time. Isn't that cool? What a wonderful new tool that we have to use. I hope you enjoyed today's little tip and explanation on how to use these hybrid embossing folders. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time. And next time I'll have a video on how to use those embossing folders to make this really gorgeous Valentine. Have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all next time. Bye.